'96 Eldorado. Fired it up the other day. Well, Barry did. And of course, now we have an injector O-ring pissing fuel everywhere. It would be number 7 over there on the passenger side. Number 5, I'm sorry, third one back, passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and pop our fuel rail apart and make it sound like it's easy. It's not that easy. Get it up and out and replace our injector O-rings, which were a whole whopping like $5. And then put everything back together. Fun, fun, fun. So as I continue undoing hard lines and all that, you can see just where everything's kind of wet here on the manifold, which would also make a vacuum leak, which would explain an erratic idle that Barry's been discussing. I'm going to pull the rest of these hard lines off. I'm going to send this over to F&L and have them go through the hose, the hard lines, so it's good to go. Because I don't want these things springing a leak or having a crack that we don't see, and then we have to take it apart again. All right, so the rail on the driver's side. We're pissing fuel everywhere. We're gonna unhook our injector wiring harness. I pull the injectors out. We'll F with those later. And then I'll take this over to F&L, but let me get that set apart first. Part of our problem, this would be passenger side. This guy right here, that's where we were leaking. Well, that rail ain't straight. So I'm glad I'm taking this over to F&L. Have them go through it. I just need to pull the regulator. Just need to undo it right there real quick. And all this stuff will be out and done and ready to go over there.